Welcome. In front of me is a BLUBOO Xtouch, and I will show you how to access the factory mode on this device. So we'll start off by powering off the device. So hold the key and then choose power off from the option. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll hold power key and volume down. So power key, volume down. Hold it till you see the logo, and you can let go now. And as you can see, now we're in factory mode. You can scroll to these options using volume up and down and confirm them with power key. And each one will run various tests, so I'm just not going to press it because it will take a little bit, but yeah. And if you want to leave this, you would actually have to hold the power key because there's no option to leave normally, so you need to hold the power key till it basically turns off. Okay, and then press it for a brief moment till it powers back on, and now the device will turn back on normally. So that is basically how you access the factory mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.